everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be informing you about one of the project, that is the service level agreement. So let's get started. Before moving on the project, let me give you a brief overview of the client's requirement. So the first requirement of the client was to create a service level agreement with mainly two steps: response and resolution. For response, send an acknowledged email immediately to the customer and update the status. For resolution, send a violation mail to the case owner if the resolution is not done in the given time. Now, it is essential to understand what service level agreement or SLA is and how it works. A service level agreement is a contract agreement between a service provider and the customer that defines the level of service expected from the service provider. SLAs are the output based and their purpose is to define what customers will receive. The main component of this project were flow, entitlement process and milestone. Now one by one, let me inform you about the three components. So firstly, let's talk about the flow. Flow is an operation inside the salesforce that automates a business process by collecting data and performing operations in your organization or in your org or an external system. Next comes the entitlement process, which provides a timeline for support agent. It provides next steps that are needed to be completed in order to resolve a case. Lastly, it's the milestone. They represent the required steps in your support process. It can be defined with a countdown to ensure certain key steps in the support process are being met in a timely manner. Now let me tell you the process we followed to execute the entire procedure. Firstly, we created a flow for response. This will ensure that whenever a case record is created, the acknowledged mail will be sent to the customer and the status will be updated. Secondly, we created an entitlement process for a response that will trigger the milestone countdown. And if the agent is unable to meet the timeline, it will trigger a violation mail to the case owner. Now let's jump to the demo part. First, you have to create an entitlement record. Now, click on to New and fill in all the essential information along with the entitlement process which you want to trigger. Once done, click on Save. After this, go on to the case and create a new case. Here also you're required to fill in the necessary details. You're also required to select the entitlement name that you just created. Again, click on Save. As you can see here, the status is updated and it displays in process. With this, the milestone also gets triggered. Now the customer will receive an email that will look like this. And when the resolution time is over, the agent or the case owner will receive a violation mail if the resolution is not done. Now, as you can see, the agent was unable to resolve the case in the given time, so it should trigger a violation mail to the case owner. Are you looking to integrate third-party app with Salesforce, or would you like to get most of Salesforce implementation? We at Cloudanalogy can help you automate your business process and unlock the optimal value of Salesforce CRM. From simple API to various third-party security integration, you'll find the right resolution for your business at Cloudanalogy. Get in touch with the Cloudanalogy experts now.